Why?
What's up YouTube? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you never miss an update of all my videos.
Man, this lady is crazy. Awesome. Up. More screw up. People are crazy, man. टर्न मारने के पहले सर देख लो, तुम्हारे को ठोकने वाला था। मिरर नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, कैसा तुम चलाता है? Wow, dumb looking at the phone. It would have been fun to see. Yes, sir. DL Idea Insurance. Okay.
I believe I can fly.
That guy was flying. I mean, come on. You have an Activa. What are you doing, man? Don't have eyes on the road. They're supposed to actually slow down before they enter. This is the reason why it's not, you know, when you meet with an accident, why is it that people say you should be riding slow or driving slow? This is the exact reason. Because there are idiots every second there are idiots on the road. So rather than blaming anyone else, it would make more sense to be safe rather than being sorry at the end. Not again. Always allow kids and, you know, pedestrian if possible, unless there is a green signal and they are just walking. But if you're at slow speed, see if you can allow. Just always make sure you have a look in your rear mirror and nobody is coming in high speeds, because then there is a disaster like this one. They don't have mirrors and they just look back. The moment they look back, there is somebody who brakes in the front and kaboom. Why? क्यों घुस रहा है इतना यार? See, it is your mistake. It's his mistake. He was close. Dumbass.
Mirrors? What are those?
God knows, man. Looking everywhere on the middle of the road. Now look at this. Awesome. This is a dumbhead and there's another one. Where are you going? Where are you going? God damn it. Don't tell me you're gonna go on the right hand side. No, don't do that, you stupid ass. There is no way. What the? वो जो नहीं है, नेक्स्ट लेफ्ट है, आगे चलो. ए अप्पा ये नोकते इधरा, ये नोकता इधरा. करेक्ट ना? Straight, 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 straight. Then take a left. स्लो स्लो. बस के सामने से आया तो कैसा दिखता जे? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ साइड हो गए सर. वो he just hit the median, I guess. Damn. I hope this got recorded.